Nashville, Tennessee. I am the owner of Trash Me Not LLC. It's a one-stop shop for all things zero waste and vegan. I am a post-bac student. So what does that mean? That means I've already gone to school. I went to the University of Tennessee in Nashville for their graduate school of social work and received my social work degree, MSW. And I moved out to Oregon to get my licensure hours. Random facts about me. So what is something superstitious that my family holds dear? I would say it's, okay, here's my top 2 Catholic superstitious-y things. One is you light a candle and you say a prayer over it, and we expect that by the time that candle has been blown out, that prayer will be answered. You can probably hear my cat Thunder in the background. He's talking. And another thing that we believe is if you pray to a saint depending upon who they are, like my favorite is Saint Anthony. He just works. I'm very superstitious about Saint Anthony. If I lose my keys, I pray to him and I find them within seconds. It's just how I find things. So I guess that's my superstitious thing. My favorite meal is sopa de puerros, honestly. It is delicious. Sopa de puerros in English means leek soup.